Kitty, pull him.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You miss me? Tell me so you don't miss me. I don't miss me, don't. Well, I'm here today with you guys. Today we're up on a pigeon hunt today. We come right now, we're in our town and we come to hunt some pigeon. We asked from a couple days ago if we can hunt the pigeon them and then give it the okay, so we are going to hunt some pigeon. You see me? So when I just come on the hunt with you, what you are going? One heap of them. One heap of them just fly off of the line, guys. They fly all over the place. Don't worry yourself, because we are hunt them today.
And a big junk crow over there up on the pole there. The caterpillar making way to the food stand.
Yeah guys, couple of them well they over here, you know, see them panic. See them they panic ground. Look there guys, enough of them out here, you know. We'll see if we can take down a couple of them. What you say, Stretch? Take down a couple of them.
Babes, one ties out.
You catch him, you know, but you don't catch him good.
Big water.
He fed a pitch out. You can see he lick down there so after I lick him. If he did catch him, he would have burn him good, you know.
You kind of want to wait to shoot them out because the crowd, you know, the people them there, how you play set up. So
yeah, because people provide park and exercise too, guys.
You understand? Yeah, man. But my peeps, stay tuned.
Yeah, man, we shall get them. We are get them, guys. We are get them.
Look out on the line over there for my people.
Look there, guys. Yo. Pitch them couple of them from out over there. Yeah, me get him. Bon, tikila ko feda.
Right now we're there on one tree, I lay wait them, you know, them a come in little, yes. Me peeps, watch how I go on, then come in me peeps, alright?
Yes, sir.
Yes, man.
Hold on, he fly?
Guys, me no see that one day a while ago.
Yeah,
no father, then tough like peeps, them here are nothing, then tough.
Hey, I can't believe
Tough. Can't believe, yeah me G.
it. I can't believe saying fly away.
Can't believe that peeps me have to do just a shoot for headshot.
Me tell you say that you have to do because they're tough.
And tough man.
You use steel and lick them and they still.
Peeps, me soft some steel this morning and I use on them. And I tell you say, I one number me get for catch and because the wing broke. Believe me. But guys, me still on I tree. I'm there in I tree but me don't want to shoot them too far. You know them way them peeps. And tough. From too far. I don't want to shoot them from too far. I want them come down closer.
Then tough man, because it's still they run out, you know, guys. So I marble them we are use so we can do no far shooting, you know. You know.
Yeah man. But peeps, we out here. Just give the video a like right now, you know, my people.
Yeah,
just like
yeah,
up
guys,
the video
like
right
up the
now.
video.
Yeah man. I want to
And
go
share up the
epic.
video, guys. You know, make sure you share that video, you know. One a video you have to share up, you see me? Yeah man.
Follow our way to make sure so you make it. Alright. Guys, me just shoot the pigeon a while ago. Just shoot him. And the marble just drop back right there so. And the pigeon still a walk up and down like nothing around. Him right there so. I clean up all his feather. Yo. Guys, me have to make some maintenance to this, you know. This 2 weeks. So I go see me go get 2 more elastic like how me there in my town. And cause no cheesy rubber no sell about the place. I see me deal with the right just so. Because you don't have much power and get 2 more marble. Or me can get some steel. Peeps, we come buy some more rubber band and some more marble.
Where marble?
Yeah man, we come buy some more stuff. We go back under the tree there, you know, my people. Guys, me never know say so pigeon tough. Me eat them already before, but me never yeah. But me never like shoot them before. First me I go shoot them. Then tough like a rock stone. So me I deal with them nice and proper man. See it there? Set up for them you know. Go back, go build up here and everything. Guys, we get 2 beer too, you know. Yeah man. See you there in a supermarket, is it?
Guys, stretch the arm. I do some work. Panning catapult. Chin face.
Guys, his body are tough like a rock stone.
He bust up his slingshot, guys.
Me lick, yo, you know, me see marvelous boom off his chest, you know, just boom off his chest and come back.
You're supposed to feel it in your heart.
That's a no, man. Solution.
Yeah, guys, look on the difference with the two elastic here.
Yeah, man, peeps, you know,
Look on the
the
difference.
bottom one them look thinner.
Yeah.
And the top one them better one them, but true, me can't bother if you pull up the whole slingshot because the bird them there, see me?
Yeah.
So straight hunting.
The new one then we just buy a different
better,
kind of
yeah,
elastic.
man, a slingshot. That's anyway, powerful they come like all the bottom one them no good.
Me tell you, I tell you maybe you have to go pull them up, but me could see what go on.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so we out here, you know, they're still there. See there? They're still there, fly up and down.
What?
Yeah, man. Watch a one here will come right here, so watch him. Don't worry on yourself, stretch a gear up for you now. Yes, so he gonna do. He gonna make sure say he refurbish. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. So no soon see what go on, see? Yeah, man. We are going there drink some beer in the meantime.
Yeah, man. Tea this, you know.
Yeah, about tea.
So peeps, a Grangeville Square Arena, you see it?
Yeah, guys. So they are
West
Grangeville. You're not supposed to know Grangeville. Yeah, man.
Don't
So.
know. I tell sing about it.
We are driving in from Grangeville with a pound of the marijuana.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so we there go and do what we are doing.
Stay tuned.
Yeah,
Stay
man.
tuned. And like up the video, you know. Like up the video.
Share you up too. Guys, still a walk and hunt them, you know. Still a walk and hunt them, guys. Place busy, you know, so we have to know what we are doing. Understand? Still have to take time and do what we are the same way. Kufeda. Kufeda. No, sir.
People, I one of the toughest bird them.
May I tell you, the toughest bird in Jamaica, I would say. Yes. And get it. Hold him. Ui. Hey, guys, but I tell no lie. You see, when time the camera, the pan stretch, it come like he get Gigi and can't shoot. You know, say a while ago, I trick him, make it look like the camera not there on him. May I tell you, me don't know why.
Keep some camera shy.
Your camera shy.
Hey,
Me catch him do. So far in the, look in the, right past the head. Yeah. Two more dead. And when you go, so me think over there, so you're gone.
Two more over there.
Wait. Guys, me think over there, so you're gone. place where things stretch go different direction. Me not even get to catch them shot there. No sir. And when you come out here so by the way, me not see where you're going now. Me think around the side, around the corner you go. See that guys? No sir. I swear if me did see where you go, more than half a catch and shot there. Weird and tough, me don't know how you'll catch them.
B8 shot me a figure them.
Yo!
Yes, my peeps, I couldn't wait talk a while ago the way of the rush. The adrenaline turn up in me a while ago, you see it? But peeps, me figure more or less say Mickey did follow me, you know, fi catch a shot them, you know.
Follow
because
you.
me just a look on the bird them and just a shoot them. So me shoot one in the head and in drop. So me shoot the next one in the head and in drop. Me shoot the next one in the head and in drop.
3 1 time.
3 1 time.
And me no catch it on camera.
Peeps, oh God, from morning me a shoot them and I be get them I get me shoot one bus out.
Guys,
no time crack. The amount of them me shoot peeps.
Me no know what really happened. All me know say, one night time he shoot one of them and he get way. Now me they check the camera to see if me see the footage. And me can't find it, so he get me distracted.
Me shoot him in the neck and me don't know how he get it.
And me don't know how he go away. So me didn't know when me a search for the video and can't find the video. At that time, they know when me a search for the video, him taking a look at time squeechy gone.
Me run off things
He not even tell me say
follow me because me think say
me no see you. He never say Mickey come.
No, but peeps, you understand what I go on.
Me did want catch him man.
So me run off, but she there behind me, so me think she a follow me. So I just that go on with peeps, so you don't get to catch them. Wicked
me not
shots,
like that.
the peeps.
3 1 time.
3 headshot.
Me not like that.
Yeah man, but me peeps,
That's
we
why
out here.
We still there on the hunt, guys.
Nobody begs.
We still there on the hunt, guys.
So peeps, you know, just stay tuned, Zine, and just go and like up the video. I don't know, you shoot
share
at there.
Share the video to guys, share the video. Please share it and
peeps,
like it.
More while me a shoot bird, you know, I may have a limit where I shoot couple and I stop because I don't really want to massacre them on another level, you see it? But peeps, if I take all one day and say me a shoot bird, you know, normal, you know. Right now, 4 of them I gone already. And the amount we get where we shoot around 25 of them.
I may say amount of them because I know every shot we catch. Enough shot we no catch.
Enough shot we no catch too. So peeps, one more I want to say too, no, comment in the comment section. What I want to ask you, if you say comment in the comment section and let me know how much bird you know I want to see me shoot once the bird them did and available.
Yeah, come on.
You see me? Yeah man, because I can massacre them on another level. Shooting slingshot is easy to me, you see it? Well easy because I do it from a youth. Yeah man. But peeps, bless up in yourself. And Hernandez.
Yeah. Hernandez.
Yeah man. Big up yourself, my general. Big up yourself.
Yeah man, enough love and respect,
you know? You see it?
For real.
Thanks to the donation too as well.
Yeah.
Peeps.
Auntie Faye, big up yourself.
Yeah man, you don't know a thing set up Auntie Faye.
Thank you guys very much.
We love one another.
Thanks for the support, thanks for the donation, thanks to stick here with us guys.
Yeah man.
As far as we see, we ride and die.
Yeah man.
Because we love what we are doing. Always watch the video, them always comment. Love that guys. Big up on yourself.
Big up.
And big up everybody else vibes. I don't know a thing said Junior.
Junior me G.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah man.
Straight.
Yes, my peeps. So if you don't want fruits and in a green gel, fruits, vegetable and anything, yeah man, you know, just come and the corner ends right beside the police station. Yeah man, that they have everything in here. Don't know. Alright. Melon nyol.
Wow, it's fire.
Peeps the melon bad.
Favorite fruits guys.
Wow, good one.
Melon.
Alright, my people. So we find a little spot right now. You see it, come out, pick them off and thing, you know. You don't know, you know. You want to cook them food, you know, nice too. So you know, just relax and you know, enjoy what go on. So you know, don't know 6 of them, half dozen we kill. Could have kill more, but you don't know how me come down. If me not need it, me not go hunt. Me not go shoot more than what me need. You see? Yeah man, so
And I just two away
and I just 2 away me people.
Yeah,
I
so
don't know
we
if
just
people might join me still, but
yeah.
there for them get same way either way. For me just need one of them or 2 of them.
And then as we say further, as we did say guys, people in our town really busy and then we are there, so we never really want to go overdo it and you know how it go. Yeah, make nothing go
wrong.
Them
birds are tough, you know, my people. Them tough. They come like a lead.
I tell you,
tough.
them tough man.
But you don't know the shooter is out. Can't run from me. Straight head shot. You don't know anything come down. So right now my people, I go and pick them.
Yeah.
I go pick them in the bag, so that's if they don't scatter all about the place. You understand? So just stay tuned, alright? Yeah man. Yes, peeps, so far you gone, you know? Yeah, man, 2 of them down already. I don't know me have the whole pull here. I don't know the whole white rum. Don't know anything set up my peeps, but watch out. Who feather? Feather like nothing.
Feather. 4 more of them left back to pick, you know. 2 down.
Here are my people, here.
You can hear it?
Can't hear the machine.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so see what go on here. Bird them this, you know. Yeah man, and the chef I go deal with the for Father Bones. Yeah man, big chef that. You see me? We're all in my peeps. Don't know. So I'll make the chef deal with my people. Yeah man, so we'll make the chef deal with it and we see what go on. I don't know anything set up. We're out here. You hear me peeps? I remember if you like the video, you know, man. Yeah man, just like up the video. Be rain, my peeps. Yeah man. We're there, so set up a little fire to swing the bird them, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, my peeps, up here rain as it, so we move from the outside. Yeah man, we come from the inside, you know.
Steppers.
Watch out!
Look at bird feet.
Steppers.
Steppers. I make soup with them.
Yeah man.
You want no mashed potato?
Rather than setting myself. Darling setting jerkins.
Yes, my peeps.
Real bird.
Mm-hmm.
Shoot them, let's shoot them with the catapult now.
Mm-hmm.
Let's plant a grand hill.
Mm-hmm. Shoot them in a tone.
So me see man, let's just
Alright then. For the bones there. Big chef, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me peeps. The bird them are going simmer, you know? Yeah, man. Look at that. Jesus. Just like that. Wing.
Look here, me shoot in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to shoot off anything. I gotta get up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
I'm going so out, you know.
Yeah, but I'm afraid of just.
Mm-hmm.
The pigeon could big like that. Pigeon
Mhm.
could big like that. Rabbit could
Mm-hmm.
slaughter out that I'm going in my mammy now.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm going to America. I was in India short my place. I beg. Today I did no. Stress. I'm going to here I kill a rabbit.
Mhm.
40 rabbit.
Bumpy.
That's what we have there. That's what we have.
Holy rabbit that in the
Yeah,
brother.
man. I'll 40 rabbit I kill. 60 bird. Pigeon different, you know. Pigeon different, barbel different, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Barbel different, you know. Yeah, man, that's what I kill them, man.
Last kick. We have water.
Eat that in my peeps. Yeah, man. Take up this here now, my people. Hmm? Yeah, mean, man, when I'm in there, we can go up on a hunt, man. Mm-hmm. Right now, I don't know where we can hunt some wild rooster, man. That's mad.
Me know if cut him, man. No worry yourself. I know say I know cucumber they use stretch. I want something way name.
Squash.
Yeah, but me I use cucumber. It better work.
100 milligrams lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
I want a lettuce.
Brother, me don't know. Me no know how
Me
me
eat
love
lettuce.
lettuce. Not the right thing, you know, but make it work.
Mm-hmm.
Stretch it up now, no.
Peeps, I
Guys,
say we
for the
decorate
first
with
time,
plate.
Look at it.
Yeah, man.
Look at it, guys. For the first time, tell me say if me not do very good. Look at my rose. Look at it.
Mm.
I'm a little rose, guys.
Sure.
You know all that hot, but you know all that bad.
You might go on with himself, my people. You might go on with himself.
Look at the design, not so bad, though. Look at that. No, son.
No.
Me I go taste, you know.
Don't know, peeps. Big chef, for the bones,
Darling, brother.
Don't know him there go and jerk bird them few years eat. Don't know a thing set up my people. We there. Make you take a bite off a pigeon and now first you eat the pigeon, you know. Tastes good, not true, and it just juicy and fleshy.
And the pepper just right in it.
Yeah, man. Chef a go on with himself, my people. Chef hot. Eh. Yeah, laugh. He love me, G. He love it.
Guys, the bun.
And she never used to eat bird, you know, my peeps.
Why the pigeon meat at hey? I saw pigeon did.
Pigeon sweet, man. Never hunt it before, no peeps, but me eat it before, you see me? Rich and nice. First me hunt pigeon, so me never know. Say I saw they ain't tough, then tough you fat. Yeah, give them a dance, give them a dance, give them a dance, give them a dance, give them a dance. Don't know me people, so we out here. We are deal with it. You see me? Yeah, man, we just go and chill back and relax and now.
Guys,
Yeah, man,
me not tell no
another general forwards.
More of me want. More run. Yeah, man, right, start. Like I sit them.
Rena, come again.
Come again, good.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Everybody, big up on yourself. May I eat for me and Uno?
Yes, man. Don't know anything said.
Hernandez, Auntie Faye, Vibes, Junior, everybody.
Yeah, man, you know, don't know.
Everybody we support with all the time. From with day one, everybody until now. On the big up on yourself. When I go can't remember everybody name for call because there's too much. But thank you now, and please stay tuned. Lots more epic video coming out. You
Yeah,
understand?
man.
So go and bless up on yourself.
I
Go and
remember
hold the peace.
peeps, you know, donate to the PayPal. You see me, we want to get some gears and some stuff because we want to shoot some mad video, you know, my people.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
And we
Really
want go
want
fishing.
to shoot some mad video. It's like we want some fishing video, my peeps, but
Yeah, but we
You know
don't
what
have
things
this
said.
stuff them to deal with the fishing part. 'Cause, you know, we're
Yeah.
not professional and we can't swim.
yeah.
Funny if you know, we love fishing and can't swim.
But
But
we do it same way.
we love the fishing same way, guys. So we just want, you know, wanna just go and donate and help we support we make we can get we, you know, get we fishing gears them same way. Yeah, we want to do some nice content for you.
Yeah, man.
So until then, guys, peace out, love y'all.
I don't know.